Hello YouTube, this is a alcohol review of Kinky Gold. Dun, dun, dun. Says it's a liqueur. According to the label, a seductive fusion of super premium vodka distilled 5 times with luscious peach and tropical flavors. According to the back label, get kinky, enjoy over ice, mix with lemon lime soda, splash in Prosecco, add vodka for a Kinky Gold martini. I thought I said it had vodka in it. Curious. 750 ml bottle. It is 70% alcohol by volume. This is part of what I could find around the house that is good for hot summertime. This kind of falls under that genre. Take nice and cold and have it on a nice hot day. That, in fact, I had a hard time finding anything all that interesting on the shelf. So here we are. It is a mango, peachy, what did I say in here? Luscious peach. Yeah, there we go. Peachy enough looking color. Heavy on the yellow side. It knocks you down with the flavors. Don't mind me. It practically knocks you down with the nose. Nothing but tropical fruits, peach and lemon. Don't know about lime, but lots of lemon in there. Nothing too abrasive. I swear there's a hint of coconut and pineapple, but it could just be my nose. Very inviting. Let's see. There is no legs on it. It just seems to drop immediately into the glass. You can tell that there is alcohol in it. Obviously the vodka that's mentioned, yet they want more into it if you want a real drink on the back of the bottle. But the fruit notes, that acidity that kind of perks up the lips is very strong. There's a hint of peach, but a lot of pineapple. As if the pineapple wasn't quite ripe yet. So it is that tart. There's lemon involved, other various fruit notes that kind of come into it. I think the peach is giving it some sort of grounding. But to be honest, it's not. It's there in the nose as up front, but in the palate, it's lost in the middle. I wouldn't be too surprised if it's the vodka that's forcing the order of things to shift. Because you're not smelling the vodka, but you are getting a dominant taste out of it, at least an order coming out of it, of the different flavors. There's no real burn. There's no real bite to it. But you can, like I said, you can easily tell the vodka. Probably this would be very good on ice or in a slushy, especially if it's a real hot day. My issue is that when it comes to putting things on ice, cooling them down fairly far, as in, I say you stuck this in the refrigerator or into the freezer, once you start to cool things down past a certain point, and that point's not very far from room temperature, you start losing the flavor out of it. Such as if you put, if we just had this straight room temperature, threw some ice into it, let the ice cool it down a bit. Yes, there's a little bit of a watering down effect, but the temperature drop alone causes the drink to lose 70% or more of its flavor. You also lose it in the nose as well. So being that this is a perfect summertime liqueur for the real hot weather, on the beach, by the pool, just hanging around with some friends in the middle of the blazing heat of summertime. It has a great flavor to it, but once you start adding the ice, you're going to start dulling it down. Now, I reviewed another Kinky product, for lack of a better phrase, and it definitely would lose its touch once you start to ice it down. Now, the thing is, after the review, I actually did ice it down just to see what would happen, and it didn't lose as much flavor as I thought it would, as much as I was concerned about. So in this case, I have to say, yeah, ice it down for the summer. You are going to lose some of the sharp edges, but it may not be as bad as I'm anticipating. So try it. See what you think. First try it at room temperature. Then try it again, all nice and iced down. Unlike the other one, where once you tasted it, it was bland. Once you taste some more of it, the flavor is caught up on your palate. This remains nice and constant. But like I said, try it first, a sip or two without the ice, and then drop the ice in, or drop this into a slushy, and see what you think. I'm willing to bet this will not lose as much flavor, as much bite and thrill as you get just straight room temperature wise, if once you have it nice and iced down. But still, see what you think. This is Kinky Gold. Any comments about this product down below be warmly accepted, or better yet, go out, buy it, try it yourself, and let the rest of the YouTube community know your thoughts on Kinky Gold. Like I said, it tends to be, at least where I'm from, a really nice, hot summer liqueur. But that's just me. Try it and see what you guys think. Until next time, keep on drinking.